Hey everyone. Yeah, I wanted to just touch base a little bit about something that we used to do actually specifically for our online students, which was called Watts Weeklies. And it was an opportunity for me to kind of come in and just check in weekly, bi-weekly, and just kind of do a little inspirational snippet. It could be a technique. It could be something that was just on my mind. It could be talking about how to set up a studio, how to set up a library, the importance of certain concepts that I teach. So we're going to start putting those up on YouTube because we used to only have that as something that was accessible for our online students. But we have about 80 of these, so I want to start repurposing them. I want you guys to get to experience them. I think they're really cool little snippets and a chance to look into the behind the scenes at the atelier and all that kind of good stuff. So I hope you enjoy them, and keep an eye out for one a week or one every bi-weekly. Okay, take care.